Well, the fine people over at Veeniix, they contacted me. It's probably been about 3 weeks ago. I was reluctant at first. I really don't get into the whole review thing on the channel, but I figured let's give it a try. I'm not a huge drone person. I've flown one very minor, very minor, very short time. So if we wrecked it, we wrecked it. I did wreck it. I ran it into the side of my semi. It did actually hold up to the impact, and the blades are not broken. If I would have broken one of the blades, it does come with extra blades. Enhanced stability, a 9,800 feet real-time transmission, a beautiful 4K camera, and then on top of all of that, it comes with 2 batteries. Those 2 batteries are supposed to give you up to 70 minutes flight time. I have not flown it enough to give you a real estimate on if the batteries do last. I do know I have flown it enough to use up one battery and a half of another one, and they do last quite a bit. They are new batteries. I'm not going to be here and tell you to buy this drone. I'm not going to be here and tell you not to buy this drone. I am being here simply reviewing this drone. And the whole time we're doing this little review, Opie is sitting here pawing me and telling me, hey, the attention needs to be on me, but this video is for them. They sent me this drone that cost about $600, just a shade over $600. So I think they deserve at least a little bit of a review, Opie. Now it comes with an app for your phone. The app on the phone is quite handy because the device itself will read out in meters. But I contacted them and I said, hey, I need it in feet. Is there any way to do that? Luckily, they actually got back to me, which I was very surprised with. The customer service was pretty quick on it. And since it is a new device out, they did an update on the app. If you go to the app, you can actually switch it over to feet instead of meters. But the minute you hook this thing up, you turn it on to your phone, it's going to start connecting to the device. But we're not here for a how-to video, we're here to review the video. I will tell you, before we take flight, I still am in beginner mode. Remember, I've never flown a drone before other than just a little bit before. So it's not going to go out the 9,800 feet, but we are going to go up. It's going to be a little jittery, and don't blame the drone for that. Blame the operator for that. Now remember what I said. Don't blame that little feller if the video is choppy. It's the pilot's error. Another thing I'm going to throw in here is it comes with a landing pad. I strongly advise using it. Do not take off from a rock lot. So I just flew it into the side of the truck again. He's flying kind of lopsided. I would too. That looked like it hurt. Look at us, guys. I'm doing a review video, and I'm actually going to try a little voiceover here. We don't do this very often. The Veeniix V11 is FAA certified and has an ID module. It's a pretty cool drone. I did jump over to Veeniix. I checked out all their other camera options and all kinds of doodads. And if you are interested in this drone or anything else on their website, you can go ahead, jump over to their website. There will be a link in the description of this video. You're going to see a code or promotion code. Type in Schmidt And the way they're telling me, they're going to give you 35% off. But that's only if you're interested in this product or any other products that Veeniix has. I said earlier, just check it out. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But I just wanted to show you what we're using in the videos now, and it is a Veeniix V11. Alright, so we did the voiceover work. The voiceover work is now done. The remote control. It comes with the video camera button. You push it, it records. It comes with a home button. You push it, it comes home. Now make sure you're not standing beside a semi, and you're preferably putting out the landing mat if you're around a rock lot. It has a speed control and a mode control. The speed control, it will go to camera, it will go to sport, and it will go to normal. But if you're in beginner mode, I'm pretty sure that it's like, dude, just don't run me into a side of a truck. I'm going to leave a link to this device in the description of the video below. Like I said before, I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm not telling you not to buy it. I'm simply just giving you a little bit of a review, and I'm telling you that I've liked it so far. So you can jump over there, give it a look-see, see what you think, and do whatever you're going to do. But thank you for watching this review. You guys stay safe, and as always, I'll see you next time.